Hi, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today we're going to bare metal full a pickup truck bed, just the strips that go between the wood planks and the bed. Real simple and easy, but it'll give you the idea how bare metal full works. So follow along as I bare metal full this truck bed. Okay, here you see the parts. Here's the bed. Here's the bare metal full. Here is the hobby knife that I just for doing bare metal full. I keep it in my bare metal full, and then I have a little rag here that I wipe it down with, and some Q-tips, and then a toothpick, and that's all you need. So let's get started. Okay, what you want to do is figure out where you want to start, which I'm going to start back here on these little ones. So you cut you a little piece of foil, just a little bit bigger than what you're doing. Take it off there, then you stick it down on your bed. That's where the Q-tip comes in handy. You rub it down. Then you take your razor blade and you just let the razor blade do the work. Follow along you just let it follow along the molded part. And then when you get done, you just peel it up on both sides. Having a hard time seeing this down in here. You just rub it down with your Q-tip, and then you go on to the next piece, which I'm going to do the other piece behind the wheel well this time. I'll stick it down with my finger, roughly where it goes. And run it down with your Q-tip. And then take your razor blade. You cut it. And then you cut it along the line. You peel it off. And then you just rub it down. And I'll do one of the long ones, and then we'll skip ahead. And so you cut you a little thin piece. It's longer and wider than what you need. And this is where your Q-tip comes in handy, like against that fender well right there. You run it down. Then you cut it here at the tip, or at the end of the bed.
I can't see.
Then you run it. Let your razor blade do the work, and just run it along that lip. You peel that side off, and then you do this side the same way. And then you take your Q-tip and you run it back down again, and then run it down with your rag, and that's all there is to it. I'll finish this up and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, here's the finished truck bed with all the strips bare metal foiled. And I mean, you can use it for tail lights, which I did the tail lights in this, and I did the door handles and the trim and around the windows.